Hello everyone, today is Tuesday, December 15th. It's 6:28 p.m., a couple hours after the market regular session close, and I just wanted to make a short video today as things wind down for the holidays and volume is relatively light. There probably won't be as many videos until New Year's when we get going again. I know Trader Jim's probably going to take some time off, but just wanted to show this today. I have two Leeloo accounts now. I have one that's a $150,000 combine with a $9,000 goal and a $5,000 drawdown, and then I have this account which I started over is a $50,000 account with a $3,000 drawdown and a $3,000 profit target. And the reason I took this account is, one, I'm going to trade fully automated. The other one I'm trading semi-fully automated. This one here, with only a $3,000 target, this was my first day, and I did 1225 today. So I believe this account is the easiest to qualify for because the target is so short. And I wanted to show this chart because this has a $1,200 goal and a $600 stop loss. So this is a 2-to-1 ratio. So it can lose 2 times and win 1 time, and it'll be still break even. So the idea here is at a 2-to-1 ratio, I can afford more losers. So if my strategy is 60% profitable, then I'm going to get ahead nicely over time. Anyway, this was traded live in the Leeloo account, and it did hit its goal of 1,200 and had a couple of tick slippage on 2 trades here. I've showed this before, and it has a 34 period SMA as a filter, and the reversal look back I changed from 15 to 10 on this one. Alright, now this chart was traded in Sim, but I wanted to show this because, again, this kind of supports my idea of a 2-to-1 or even a 3-to-1 drawdown, as what I've observed is when it's a winning day, most times it takes off from the open and doesn't look back, just like this. So this hit its goal of 3,000 and only drew down after the first winning trade. But I've noticed that most of the charts, most of the winning days don't seem to have much of a drawdown, and they hit their goals. So I encourage you to try your trading with a 2-to-1 or a 3-to-1 ratio to loss limit. Win ratio to loss. Okay, I'm running 2 charts on the 5 wicked line break, and this actually was up 500, and then it had another loser here but didn't get out in time. So that was it for the day on this chart. Still did 425. Now I'm running 2 charts on this one. One starts at 9:31 and the other starts at 11. The one that starts at 11 got stopped out. Okay, I'm also running another 500 tick Heiken Ashi chart. This one using the open range filter, but the open range filter is actually basing the open price on the 945 bar, not the 930 bar. So this is not actually the open 1254. The open was actually more like 1265 or so. So this has worked out pretty good. This one has a $1,000 goal and an 800 loss limit, but I should probably reduce it. As noticed here, it hit its goal without any drawdown, supporting my theory that if it's going to be a winning day, it's probably going to hit its goal without much of a drawdown, and if it's going to be a losing day, it's probably going to lose right off the bat. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.